Hey guys, we're back on the trail. Look who's back.
Yay, so happy to be here.
We're at a Point Dume trail today, and it's a really easy trail in Malibu, California.
Yeah, it's supposed to be a 1.4 mile trail at about 300 foot elevation gain. We're taking it easy on my foot since it's still healing. It's fine, but I do need to take it slow. So this is a perfect little trail for us. And we have a beautiful scene, so we're really excited to be here with you guys today.
So let's enjoy.
Please. Alrighty guys, so we're at the start of the trail with some fun facts about this coastal area, which is protected. Look, there's rock climbing. Unfortunately, this trail is not dog friendly. You're not allowed to bring your furry babies here, so just keep that in mind. So this is a heavily trafficked trail, especially on the weekends. So maybe something to consider for a weekday. So for those of you that did not know, I had injured my foot. Actually fractured it while I was running, not while hiking, but it took about like 7 weeks to heal up. So since we're by the coast, it is pretty chilly right now. It's December, but summertime should be better if you're trying to catch a sunset hike. So this trail is easy and it is considered family friendly, so you can bring the little ones. We are at a split here. Either make a left or a right. To stay on trail, we'll be making a right. So on this trail, you can see that there's different types of terrain. So we come across sand. Along the way, there should be some wooden boards, rocks. So just keep that in mind when you're choosing which shoes to wear. So a split here. Either the left or the right will take you up to the landmark. We're going to be making a right. That's gorgeous. Right here, you'll see that there's this small junction to the right. It'll take you straight down to the beach. So here we can keep going straight to go ahead and take in this beautiful sunset and take some photos. And then carry on to the left for our destination.
So make sure to bring a jacket during the winter time because it is kind of windy out here. And this trail is really easy just to follow along. It won't be one of those that you'll get lost. I think if you follow a normal pace, it shouldn't take probably no more than 45 minutes to get up to the top. Here's the lookout. Just keep going straight. Look at this, we're at the boardwalk right here. Look at these views though. This hike here is pretty much for just to get a view, come out and enjoy. It's not really for a workout. Now if you guys are scared of big crowds, stay away from here. There's a lot of people. Look at these views. Here we're gonna go to the left. this, guys. Look at that sunset. Hey guys.
Hi.
We made it back to the car. We were gonna film the outro up there, but it's too windy. You wouldn't have heard anything.
Yeah, and then it got really dark, so we're like, might as well just do it in the car.
Yep. So as we always review this stuff, it's really nice up there and it's really cool with the views. But I mean, you can come out here at any time. Just make sure you have time to come back to your car, because then it gets pitch black out here.
Yeah, luckily there's some lights here in the parking lot, so it shouldn't be too much of a problem, but it did get cold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But as we always say, we recommend it. And thanks for the support, because I know our subscriber base has been growing pretty quick nowadays. So thank you very much. Keep it up. We're going to keep producing for you guys. And probably this is our last video for this year. So have a happy new year. And we'll see you guys next year.